Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani. To all of you guys, welcome to today's class. I hope all of you are amazing, awesome and wonderful, right? So welcome to today's class guys. This is your Prodigy series for CBSE 10th. We are talking about quadratic equations and this is our third session in which we will be discussing about simple situational problems. That means word problems. Alright, so before I move ahead, let me first discuss the homework question which I gave you in the previous class. This was your homework question. I have told you find the roots of this quadratic equation if they exist by applying the quadratic formula. So for seeing whether they exist or not, first let's see what is the discriminant. Alright, so I can say coefficient of x square over here is 3a square. Coefficient of x is 8ab and constant term is 4b square. So discriminant will be equal to b square minus 4ac. So it will be 8ab whole square minus 4 into a into c. So it will be 64a square b square minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48 a square b square, which will be equal to what beta? Which will be equal to 16 a square b square. As you can clearly see, a square will be a positive number, perfect square is always positive, b square also will be positive, 16 again is a positive number, so this is greater than 0, so real roots exist and they will be distinct and real. Alright, so I can say, sir, the roots will be minus b plus minus square root of d divided by 2a. So it will be minus of b is 8ab plus minus square root of 16a square b square divided by 2 into a is 3a square. So we are getting minus 8ab plus minus, the square root of 16 is 4, square root of a square is a, then square root of b square is b divided by 6a square. Alright, so now I will get two roots. The first root which I will be getting over here beta, first value, use the plus sign, minus 8ab plus 4ab divided by 6a square, which is I can say minus 4ab upon 6a square. So I can say it is 2 times, 3 times, and one a will get cancelled over here. We are getting minus 2b by 3a. Second 0, use the negative sign. So x will be minus 8ab minus 4ab upon 6a square. So it will be minus 12ab upon 6a square. 6 ones are and it is minus 2 times. 1a to 1a will get cancelled. We'll get minus 2b upon a. So minus 2b upon 3a and minus 2b upon a will be your two roots, direct quadratic formula, right? So this is how you will get your correct answer for your homework question. Now let's look at those students who have given us the correct answer. So we have got, these are our homework stars, and the students who have given the correct answer is Lakshmi Lohit, Sunita Dubey, Nikhil N, Teddy Gupta, Disha NL and Rashmit Hudda. Thank you so much, Rashmit. So guys, welcome and congratulations to all our homework stars. Claps for all of you guys. Huge round of applause. Very well done. You also want to be a homework star. For all those students who are watching this video, you also want to be a homework star. Please don't forget to submit the homework in the comment section. I'll give you a homework question at the end of this session. Alright? Okay guys, so today's topic is quadratic equations application. That means we'll be talking about word problems. I have already told you how to solve the quadratic equation, how to factorize. All this I have already discussed in detail. So today's class I'll be focusing more on word problems. So I'll just show you how do you make the equations. Solving that equation you can do on your own, right? Solution you can do on your own. I'll just show you the solution, but we'll be focusing more on how to make the equation. Alright guys, so those friends who are new here, those who don't know me, my name is Gopal Paliwal. I'll be your master teacher for mathematics at Vedantu. This channel, Vedantu's 9th and 10th English. Alright, and I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad and been teaching from the past 5 years. You can see the credentials over here on the screen. Thank you so much for coming to the session. Let's start now. Alright, the first question which I'll be talking about. So guys, I have tried to take different types of questions in this session. So I'll make sure that all the different types of questions are solved. Also, if you are getting any doubt in any of the word problem, please don't forget to let us know in the comment section so that I can take that during the quiz and Menti round. Alright guys, ठीक है? And also you can help each other by posting the answer for comments, all these things. Let's make a great community over here. Alright, so if you are getting any doubts, post it in the comment section, and if the students get to know the answer of that doubt, write the reply for that. Let's see how much you will help each other, right guys? So if you agree, don't let me if you are agreeing with this, do let me know in the comment section, and let's make the comment section a better community. And to segregate this, what we can do is, if you have a doubt from suppose factorization of quadratic equation, let's write the doubt in that video so that it will be like any student is coming, or even if you are coming for the revision, you can just go through the comment section and you'll see, okay, these are the questions which were important, these were the doubts. All this will be very helpful. So let's try to do whatever we can do on this platform. All right, okay guys, the first question which we'll be talking about is this: divide 27 into two parts such that sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 20. So now if I have to divide 27 in two parts, divide means not division, breaking 27 in two parts. So let's say one part is x. What will be my other part? Now what many of the students make mistake over here is, okay guys, let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box what will be the other part. What will be the other part? All right, okay, what is the other part? If one part is x, what is the other part? Now what happens is, many times in hurry, or sometimes because of, let's say they are in a hurry or not writing consciously, many students write the second part as x minus 27, which is wrong. From 27, if I take x out, I will be left with 27 minus x. All right, so let me know in the comment section if you have made any mistake in this part. All right, you got to know your mistake. So one is x, other is 27 minus x. If I will add their reciprocal, the answer is 3 by 20. That means if I will do the reciprocal of x, I will get 1 by x. If I do the reciprocal of 27 minus x, I will get 1 upon 27 minus x, and their reciprocal sum is nothing but 3 by 20. Right? So let's take the reciprocal over here. So bacha, I can say very well, sir, here multiply, because it is since fractions, take LCM. Here I'll multiply with 27 minus x, and here I'll multiply with x. Right? So once I have done this multiplication, now the equation is very easy in front of me. Denominator is x into 27 minus x, and numerator is 27 minus x into 1 is 27 minus x, plus 1 into x is plus x, equal to 3 by 20. Minus x plus x got cancelled. We are left with 27 upon 27x minus x square is equal to 3 upon 20. I can say it is 3 ones are 3 nines are. Right? Now let's do cross multiplication. So I can say 9 into 20 is 180. And here 3 into it is 1 only. So 27x minus x square. Shift everything over there. We'll get x square minus 27x. 180 is already here. Plus 180 is equal to 0. So this will be the required. This is my required quadratic equations. This is my required quadratic equation. Alright guys, this is my required quadratic equation. You can solve it further. So the factorization will be splitting will be minus 15 and minus 12. Alright, so the parts will be x can be 15 also, or x can be 12 also. See here. Alright, solution guys, I would like all of you to solve it on your own. Alright, solution you can see over here also present. ठीक है, let's move ahead now. चलो भाई आगे बढ़ते next question. Next question. 300 apples are distributed equally among a certain number of students. Okay, so there are some certain number of students in between which we have distributed 300 apples. Had there been 10 more students, each would have received 1 apple less. So if there are 10 more students, everyone would have received 1 apple less. Find the number of students. So let's say guys, number of students is, let's say, x. Number of students is x. So in case 1, each student, how many apple each student will get? So we'll say each student gets how much? So total 300 apples are there, and x students, suppose 300 apples, 10 students, 300 by 10, everyone will get 30 apples. Simple as that. So here, if I make the number of students as x, I can say each student gets 300 by x apples. Okay, sir. Right. Correct. Now case 2. What case 2 says? Case 2 mein, it is saying, had there been 10 more students. Now that means in case 2, number of students now has increased. In case 2, number of students has now increased, and it is x plus 10. So in this case, I can say each student gets how much? Total apple is 300, number of students is x plus 10 apples. So each student is getting these many apples. Obviously beta, if number of students have increased, all students will get less number of apples. ठीक है? So what it is saying you over here, in the case 2, each would have received 1 apple less. है ना? That means the number of apples received by student in case 1 and the number of apples received by each student in case 2. So in case 2, they are getting 1 apple less. Suppose in case 1 they are getting 10 apples, in case 2 they are getting only 9 apples. So there is a difference of 1. That is what I am saying. Number of apples received in case 1 minus number of apples received in case 2 has a difference of 1. That's the point. From here you will get your equation. Now you can take LCM. Let's take LCM. So here multiply with x plus 10. Here also multiply with x plus 10. Here you can multiply with x. Here you can multiply with x. Alright. So what we are left with? We are getting x into 300. 300x plus 3000 minus 300x. X into 300 minus 300x divided by x into x plus 10 is x square plus 10x is equal to 1. 300x minus 300x got cancelled. Shift x square plus 10x over there. So you can say x square plus 10x into 1 is x square plus 10x is equal to 3000. So finally my equation will be x square plus 10x minus 3000 is equal to 0. Alright, this will be my quadratic equation. X square plus 10x minus 3000 is equal to 0. So this quadratic equation, now you need to solve it further. Factorize this. 60 and minus 50 will be the splitting. So you will get x is equal to either minus 60 or 50. Obviously negative answer cannot be present. Minus 60 will be rejected. Number of students in the first case is 50. Okay, and you can cross check also. In case 1, if there are 50 students, each student gets 300 upon 50. 0, 0 cancelled, 6 apples. Now if I increase the number of students by 10, now there are 60 students. 300 upon 60 is 5. Earlier they were getting 6 apples. Each student gets 6 apples. Now each student is getting 5 apples. As simple as that. Alright. ठीक है बच्चों, so solution you will do on your own. I'll just teach you how to make the equation. Very important part. This is the best, or this is the most important part considering your boards. Application very important. ठीक है, चलो next question. Some student planned a picnic. The total budget for food was rupees 2000, but 5 students failed to attend the picnic. 5 students जो थे बेटा वो आए नहीं, they didn't come, right? Thus, the cost for food for each member increased by rupees 20. how many students attended the picnic, how much did each student pay for the food. तो देखो बेटा, first let's see in the planning stage how many students were there, and then we'll see how many attended the picnic. ठीक है, तो case 1 planning. Let's say during planning number of students involved were x students. During planning number of students were x and food cost is 2000. Food cost is rupees 2000. So how much each student will pay? So each student pays how much? So total 2000 divided by number of students x. That is the money shared by each student. Obviously, na. Suppose 2000 is the total budget. 10 friends went. Everyone will pay 200. ठीक है? Alright. Next case, second case. Let's see how many attended the picnic. During picnic. So during picnic, what happened, beta? Now 5 students were like, nahin, I will not come. How will make the plan for Goa? And it will be like there will be 5-6 students, 5-6 friends who will be like, yaar, Papa is not allowing. होता है, alright, simple है. So same thing happened with these 5 students. Their father didn't allow. कि नहीं भाई, no picnic, study at home. है ना? तो these 5 students didn't come. So now I can say कि भाई number of students कितने हुए? How much is the number of students? So number of students is x minus 5. So how much each student will pay now? Each student, I can say, pays. By budget for the food is that much only. खाना तो खरीद लिया. So मतलब budget for the food is 2000. So each student will pay 2000 upon x minus 5. So now the number of students have reduced. तो अब ज़्यादा पैसा they need to contribute. 2000 upon x minus 5. ठीक है? Now they are saying that in case 2, each student has to say has paid rupees 20 more. The cost for food for each member increased by rupees 20. So I can clearly say that, sir, in second case cost has increased. So in second case 20 rupees more. Each student is paying 20 rupees more than case 1. So I can say 2000 upon x minus 5 minus 2000 upon x is equal to 20, because the difference in case 2 each student is paying 20 rupees extra. In case 2 each student is paying 20 rupees extra. ठीक है? अब let's do one thing, beta. Let's take 2000 common over here. So if I take 2000 common, I am left with 1 upon x minus 5 minus 1 by x is equal to 20. Shift 2000 over there. Here if I take LCM, x minus 5 into x, here multiply with x minus here multiply with x minus 5 is equal to 20 upon 2000. This got cancelled 100 times. X, here we are left with x minus into minus is plus 5 divided by x square minus 5x is equal to 1 upon 100. X minus x got cancelled. Cross multiply, we can say x square minus 5x. 100 into 5 is 500. So finally x square minus 5x minus 500 is equal to 0. ठीक है बेटा? X square minus 5x minus 500 equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Solve it. Minus 25 plus 20 is the splitting. So you will get x is equal to 25 or minus 20. Minus 20 will be rejected. Number of students cannot be negative. X equal to 25. But अब यहाँ पे one thing is very important to understand. What is the thing which is we need to understand? Here the question is asking how many students attended the picnic. So the question doesn't want me to find out tell me the value of x. It wants me to find out number of students who attended picnic. So I can say, sir, if x is equal to 25, x कितना आया बेटा? According to the quadratic equation, x is 25. Number of students who attended picnic was x minus 5. That means 25 minus 5, which is 20 students attended picnic. And how much each one paid? So 2000 upon x minus 5. That means 2000 upon 20, which means each one paid rupees 100. ठीक है, each one paid ₹100. All right, so this is how this question will be done. So very good question. But one trick I would like to tell you over here, beta, please always whenever you are reading any question, especially application part, it is very important to understand what the question is asking and keeping that in your head. At the end I have to find out how many attended the picnic and how many paid for the food. If it helps, you can do one thing during the given part when you are writing na, make a star mark with the pencil which you can erase later. This I need to find out, this I need to find out. Alright, because many students, if they will be in the exam, they will leave at finding x. So even though you have solved the whole question wrong, suppose if this question is of 4 marks, you will get only 3 because you have not given the value of what question is asked. Alright, ठीक है बच्चों, let's move ahead now. Next question. Now before I move ahead, I would like to talk to all of you about Vedantu's pro subscription. So beta, what does this pro subscription gives you? First thing, let me tell you a very important thing which is very important right now. That is that when you are talking about, when I'm talking about your studies, one thing which is very important is to have a reliable source where you can rely upon, where you can rely that yes, you are going to get good marks, yes, you are going to see improvement, you are able to understand all the concepts, right? You want to be happy like the girl who is in this photo right now. She is how happy she is right now. You also want to be in that stage considering your studies. And Vedantu in this part will be the best source for all of you. Why best? Why reliable? Most reliable. You can rely upon it because of this promise, which is Vedantu improvement promise. Under this promise, beta, we give you guaranteed improvement. What is the meaning of guaranteed improvement? Guaranteed improvement means once you will join Vedantu for the whole year, we will make sure by the end of the year your marks will improve, and this improvement is guaranteed. We take the responsibility of your studies and will say you will improve. Now what if you don't improve? In that case, take your whole course fee back, no questions asked. Yes, it's as simple as that. Take your whole course fee back. Only thing we want from you is you should have 75% attendance in the class and 75% of the test you should solve. That's very less, yeah. 75% out of 100 classes, 75 only minimum, like minimum 75 you have to attend. You can attend all 100. That would be the best thing. But we cannot keep it at 100% because sometimes students might have some very reasonable reason, a very genuine reason. So in that case, the students have to miss the class. So in that case, we cannot say like, na, you have missed one class, so we cannot give guarantee. That is why we have kept it as 75%. We are taking responsibility, and 75% shows ki 25% of the time there may be something urgency, some genuine reason. If you are missing more than 75%, in that case you are not regular. So obviously you cannot buy education. You have to be in the class at least for seeing the improvement. Alright, now this is your guarantee, getting the whole course fee back if you don't see improvement. Now what will be the class structure, how the classes are going to be there, which will help you to improve your learning experience. So first thing guys, when you take pro subscription, you can attend as many classes as you want, unlimited classes, no restrictions on that. Yes, first thing, attend as many classes as you want, it's up to you. Do spend all the whole time on this subscription, attend as many classes as you want, attend as many micro courses as you want. Whatever topic you want to learn, all this thing you can do on this platform. Then the students will be from different parts of the world, all right, and then interactive replays you're getting. That means even while watching the recording, you can attend the quizzes. Right now in this platform at YouTube, you cannot attend the quiz if I'll have Menti. I cannot conduct Menti also. But in Vedantu's platform, even in the recording of a class, you can attend the quizzes and see how much you have scored. You will get notes, assignments, tests, doubt solving in the class with separate dedicated teacher for taking care of your doubts. We know like master teachers, when they are teaching, during the teaching also you might get many doubts. So to take care of all those doubts, beta, we will have extra teachers present in the class who will take care of all your doubts. And then there are unlimited micro courses as well as crash courses, and you can join these courses for revising any topic, for studying a topic in advance, anything which you want. Alright guys, so remember, less is more, less price, more classes. attend as many classes as you want. So the link for registration to this amazing course is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. Alright, and also one more thing which is very important, guys, that when you are going for the course, don't forget to see that GPE Pro is applied, because this will give you 10% off, which will be the minimum price at which you are going to get this course. Alright, so let me quickly show you that how you can go and register for this course. Alright, so suppose this is the YouTube page, this is the quadratic equation session. Now here in the description box, in the pinned comment section, you can see over here, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now, link is over here, or in the description box here, register for Vedantu Pro subscription. Click on this link, guys. Once you have clicked over here, then now you can select your grade and board. If you want to change, click change, grade 10th, grade 9th, grade 11th, whatever it is, whatever is your target, choose that target, click on get started. Now here, guys, you can see there are 3 courses: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. Let me tell you, the classes will be same for all these. Okay, it's not like in some classes the teacher will not teach full syllabus, some classes teacher will teach full syllabus. Once you are taking the course, your classes will be same, your teachers are going to be teaching me the same way, same syllabus will be covered. Only thing, the difference in these courses is what happens after the class. So after the class in Pro Classic, if you are getting any doubts, you can always ask the doubt through the mobile app. Alright, if you want to get more information about it, you can just click on this link and you will see a video explaining what it is. Alright, then you have Pro Plus, in which you have doubt solving mobile app as well as personal mentor also. Okay, so just click on this link and see the video about what it is. Okay, let me tell you very quickly, doubt solving mobile app, as you all know, after the class you are getting any doubts, you can ask it on the app and you'll get the solution for it. And personal mentor will be your teacher who will take care of your doubts, who will be in contact with you to see whether you are feeling good, motivated, are you facing any issues, any query, academic, non-academic, you can always rely upon them. Alright, guys, so these will be the prices for all the 3 courses. Now you can go for any of this course if you want. It's all up to you how much personalization you want. After the class, how much more personalization you require. Suppose if you are going for Pro Lite, first thing, even after all these features, you still are skeptical and you are thinking, sir, I have never tried online. Can I try it once just to see? So yes, you can try it. Just click on this try for 1 month and you can try it for the price rupees 2,340. But remember, guys, you can try it only for 1 month. After that, you have to go for buy complete course. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, once you'll try, you'll be very happy and you'll go for the complete course. Now, there will be some students who will be able to pay this very easy. There may be some students who will like, sir, when I do it per month, it is easy for us to pay this money monthly. So don't worry, guys. In this case, when you're taking for buy complete course, EMI option is also available, with which you can pay monthly installment. So it will also not be a burden. In any case, please don't forget that here GPE Pro should be there so that you get 10% off, and that will be the minimum price at which you will be getting this course. Any other query, if I have not answered it, please refer this frequently asked question page. Here you can see the answer for all your questions. Alright, guys, so do subscribe to this pro course, and let's see you soon in the classes. Okay, now next question. What this question is saying now, guys, over here, let's see this carefully. The sum of the reciprocals of Meena's ages in 3 years, in years, so age is in years, alright, 3 years ago and 5 years hence is 1/3. Find her present age. So sum of the reciprocal of Meena's age, present age. So let's take present age. Let's take present age as X years. So in past, 3 years ago, I will say her age will be X minus 3. And in future, 5 years later, 5 years in the future, her age will be X plus 5. Obviously, in future age increase, in past age was less. So they are saying sum of the reciprocal of their ages. That means 1 upon X minus 3 plus 1 upon X plus 5. Sum of the reciprocal of their ages is equal to 1/3, guys. How easy this question is. बस now solve this equation. इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर लो. ठीक है, सॉल्व कर लो यार. सॉल्यूशन तो क्या ही है, Take LCM, x minus 3 into x plus 5. Here multiply with x plus 5. Here multiply with x minus 3 to create common. है ना? So x plus 5 plus x minus 3. So 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x minus 15 is 1 by 3. Cross multiply कर लो. You will get 6x plus 6 is x square plus 2x minus 15. Shift it over there. This is your final quadratic equation. So solving this further, you are getting x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3. Obviously minus 3 cannot be your answer. X equal to 7 will be your correct answer. ठीक है? X equal to 7 will be your correct answer. Simple है बेटा. ठीक है? So Meena's present age is 7 years. 3 years ago her age was 4 years. 5 years later her age will be 12 years. As simple as that. Alright, next question देखो. Very good question. This is also a very good question. The last two questions. This is the second last question, guys. This question and the next question also, they are very important. So please listen carefully. What this question is saying. A truck covers a distance of 150 km at a certain average speed and then covers 200 km and at an average speed which is 20 km per hour more than the first speed. ठीक है? If the truck covers the total distance in 5 hours, find the speed of the truck or the first speed of the truck. So let's say first case mein truck is covering 150 kilometers and in second case truck is covering 200 kilometers. A to B, B to C. A to B is 150 kilometers. B to C is 200 kilometers. Alright. Now, in this 150 kilometer A to B, the speed is x kilometer per hour. Let's take. So here, this truck is moving with x kilometer per hour. In the second case, when it reaches B, its speed is 20 kilometer per hour more. So now the speed is x plus 20 kilometer per hour. ठीक है बेटा? So let's see how much time will be taken to cover the distance from A to B. So time taken to cover the distance from A to B will be distance upon speed. Will be distance upon speed. Distance is 150 upon speed is x. These many hours it will take for the truck to go from A to B. Distance is 150, speed is x, 150 by x hours. Simple. Same way, time taken to move from B to C will be equal to distance upon speed. Distance is what beta this time? Distance is 200. Speed is x plus 20. So this will be the time in the second case. Right? Okay. Time from A to B is 150 by x. Time from B to C is 200 by x plus 20. Now it is saying total distance is covered in 5 hours. That means total time taken will be equal to is equal to 5 hours. And I can clearly say कि sir, time taken to move from A to B plus time taken to move from B to C is total equal to 5 hours. Yes or no? Right? Correct. So I can say time taken to move from A to B is 150 by x. Time taken to move from B to C is 200 upon x plus 20. And total time is 5 hours. Please look at this one more time. Very important. देखो, what I have told by time taken to move from A to B, distance upon speed. Distance is 150 kilometer. Speed I have taken as x. So time taken to move from A to B is 150 by x. Then at B, the speed increases by x plus 20 by 20 kilometer per hour. So from B to C, the speed is x plus 20. Distance is 200. So time taken to go from B to C will be 200 upon x plus 20. Time taken from A to B and time taken from B to C, if I will add both, I will get my total time. Total time is 5 hours. So 150 by x plus 200 by x plus 20 is equal to 5. Let's solve this equation. So I can say, sir, 150 by x plus 200 divided by x plus 20 is equal to 5. Let's do one thing, bachcho. Let us multiply this thing. Let's take LCM. So here we have x plus 20, here we have x plus 20, here we'll have into x and into x. guys. So let's multiply this thing. All right, so we have 150 into x is 150x, 150 into 20 will be 3000, 200 into x is 200x, divided by x square plus 20x is equal to 5. Now here what I can take common, I can take 10 common, 10, or I can take 50 common. So let's take 50 common. I will be left over here with the 3x plus 50. If I take common, it will be equal to 60, plus 50 if I take common over here, it will be 4x. All right, is equal to 5 upon x square plus 20x. So 3x plus 4x is 7x plus 60 divided by x square plus 20x is equal to 5 upon this 50 will come over here, which is 1 by 10. Cross multiply, guys. So x square into x square plus 20x into 1 is x square plus 20x only. And here 10 into 7x is 70x. 10 into 60 is plus 600. Shift everything over there, x square. 20, 70 shifted minus 70. 20 minus 70 is minus 50x minus 600 equal to 0. This is my quadratic equation. This will be my quadratic equation, as simple as that. ठीक है बेटा. All right. So this is how this quadratic equation will be solved. So we have got x square minus 50x minus 600. So your splitting will be minus 60 plus 10. ठीक है. Splitting will be minus 60 plus 10. अच्छा, many students will think कि sir, can I do the splitting with minus 20 minus 30? No. Minus 20 minus 30 is minus 50. But when you do minus 20 into minus 30, it is plus 600, not minus 600. Alright, so please make sure you don't make this mistake. So we will get x equal to 60. So the original speed will be 60 km per hour, because speed cannot be negative. Here the speed we are getting negative. So negative is not possible. Alright, very good question. So don't be afraid of this distance speed question. If possible, try to draw the diagram and understand which is the correct link for making the equation. Whenever you are solving this numericals, na beta, you always have to focus on what is the correct link. All right, ठीक है. अब देखो this question. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 6 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 9 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. ठीक है. तो what this question says कि there are two taps which together fills a tank in 6 hours. ठीक है. Then the tap of larger diameter, so it will be getting more water. The tap of larger diameter takes 9 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. ठीक है. So if I know how much smaller tap is taking the time to fill the tank, similarly I can get the time taken by the larger tap. ठीक है. So let us say smaller tap takes 6 hours, oh sorry, x hours to fill one tank. ठीक है. तो obviously larger tap takes 9 hours less, so x minus 9 hours to fill one tank. अब बेटा देखो ना, whenever we will be making equation in this tap, water is flowing, all this. अब देखो, time cannot be our basis. Why? Try to understand. Suppose if I have a tank, one tap fills it alone in suppose 2 hours, and the other tap fills it alone is, let's say, 1 hour. So if I open them together, how much time will it take? So you cannot say na कि sir, if you'll open them together, total time will be 2 plus 1, 3 hours. Will it be possible? You'll say no sir. If alone the larger tap takes 1 hour, if I open both the tap together, obviously it is going to be less than 1 hour. So time does not get added over here. Time is not being added over here. What I can add is the water. Water I can add. How? Suppose if this tank is over here, let's say this first tap gives 5 liters of water in 1 hour. This tap gives 10 liters of water. If they both are open together, I can definitely say together 15 liters of water will be given. So the amount of water which they are filling inside the tank, or how much amount of tank is being filled, that can be added. ठीक है? Amount of water which can be filled by the tap inside the tank, that can be added. So what I will say here, please listen very carefully. Let's talk about smaller tap. ठीक है? I can say in X hours it fills one tank. So in 1 hour, how much of the tank it will fill? Obviously, sir, it will fill 1 by X of the tank. By suppose if a tap fills a tank in 2 hours. If a tap fills a tank in 2 hours. So in 1 hour, how much it is filled? You will say, sir, half, 1 by 2. If a tap fills a tank in 3 hours, every hour 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 will be filled. If a tap is filling a tank in 5 hours, every hour 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. In total, one full tank will be filled. Okay? So this is very important for us, that smaller tap in 1 hour fills 1 by X of the tank. Okay? This is in the volume terms we are saying. Same way larger tap. So but a larger tap I can say कि sir in X minus 9 hours it fills one tank. ठीक है? So in 1 hour how much tank it will fill? It will fill, sir, 1 by X minus 9th of the tank. This much tank it will fill by volume. ठीक है? Now let's talk about when they are together. So together in the question it is given together when both the taps obviously it is becoming digital now, no? apps every time. So when both the taps are open together, I can say in 6 hours they are filling one tank. So in 1 hour how much tank they will fill? Obviously, sir, 1 by 6th of the tank. ठीक है? So I have told you beta that this is the amount of water. Smaller tap gives 1 by 6th of the volume of the tank. This much amount of water. Larger tap gives 1 by X minus 9th amount of the volume of the tank, and total when they are working together 1 by 6th of the volume of the tank is filled. So amount of water can be added. So I can say clearly, sir, it means that the water filled by the first tap alone in 1 hour. Water filled by the first tap alone in 1 hour and the water filled by the larger tap alone in 1 hour. If I add them, that means when they are open together. When they are open together, amount of water can be added. This should be equal to when together they are working, this much amount of water they should fill. So from here we get our equation 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 9 is equal to 1 by 6. Right? Now obviously, as always, whatever we have been doing, we'll take LCM. Here multiply with x minus 9. Here also multiply with x minus 9. Here multiplied with x. Here also multiply with x. So we will be getting x minus 9 plus x divided by x square minus 9x is equal to 1 by 6. So we'll get 2x minus 9 upon x square minus 9x is equal to 1 by 6. Cross multiply, x square minus 9x is equal to 6 2 into 2, 12x, 9 6 are 54. Shift it over here, x square minus 9 minus 12 will be minus 21x plus 54 is equal to 0. This will be my quadratic equation. ठीक है बेटा, this is going to be our quadratic equation, and the splitting will be minus 18 and minus 3. Splitting will be minus 18 and minus 3. ठीक है, तो splitting when you will do minus 18 minus 3, now देखो x equal to 3 and x equal to 18 can be answer, but out of this x equal to 3 will be rejected. X equal to 3 will be rejected. Let me know why it will be rejected in the comment section. Why I am rejecting x equal to 3? Although x equal to 3 is a positive value, right? X equal to 3, tap is taking 3 hours, positive value. Why am I rejecting x equal to 3? Do let me know in the comment section. All right, ठीक है बच्चों, चलो, so this is all in today's class. I'm giving you a homework question. Do let me know the answer for this in the comment section. ठीक है guys, and if you have loved the class, please don't forget to like this video before you go. I want all of you to like this video right now, share the video with your friends, and if you are new here, what you are waiting for? Yeah guys, subscribe to this red button over there. Yes, you can see downside. Don't forget to subscribe to that button as well. Alright, and yes, always press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the classes. I have already told you about Vedantu Pro subscription. Please don't forget to subscribe for it, because this is a very reasonable course, and at this price you can attend as many classes as you want. You can study a topic as many times as you want, and also it comes with a guarantee of your improvement by just attending minimum 75% of the classes and the test. So it's like win-win opportunity for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this. Thank you so much guys. तो मिलते हैं जल्दी, and also please don't wait कि sir the batches will start on 5 July, so I will join on 5th of July. Better to join now so that you are registered for the batch, and in the meantime you can start using micro courses, be familiar with the teachers, meet different teachers. That's an amazing thing to do, right? All right bachcho, so this is all from my side. Thank you so much for joining the class. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye guys.